Hello learners! Today we are going to learn about the usage of have or has. In this English grammar lesson, there are 20 numbers that we are going to discuss today. Let's get started. We use have for subjects like I, you, we, they, and then plural nouns. What does it mean by plural? Plural means more than one. We use has for subjects like he, she, it, and then singular noun. Singular means only one. Number 1, I blank a pen. What is the subject? I. So if the subject is I, we have to answer have. I have a pen. Number 2, she blank a bag. What is the subject? She. So we have to answer she has a bag. Number 3, the students blank school homework. The students, the subject, and then because this is with as, so this one is plural. The singular form is student, the plural form students. So we have to answer have. The students have school homework. Number 4, we blank to come early. We is the subject, so we have to answer we have. We have to come early. Number 5, the man to wait for them. Man with a. If the singular, if man. If the plural, men. So because this is singular, if we replace with pronoun, it becomes he. So we have to answer he has to wait for them. Number 6, they blank a meeting. They is the subject, so we have to answer they have a meeting. Number 7, Sally blank been to London. Sally is a girl's name, so if we replace with pronoun, it becomes she. So we have to answer Sally has been to London. Number 8, we blank done our project. We is the subject, so we have to answer we have done our project. Number 9, you blank to call her. You, the word you is the subject, so we have to answer you have to call her. It blank some water. It is the subject, so we have to answer it has some water. Number 11, my mother and I blank a plan. Number 11, okay, sorry. My mother and I blank a plan. So my mother and I, the subject, blah blah blah, and I. It's always plural, and we have to answer with have. So the answer will be my mother and I have a plan. Okay, number 12, the children blank many toys. The children, the subject. So the singular form for children is child, and then the plural form children. So the children have many toys. He blank been reading the book for an hour. He is the subject, so we have to answer he has. Number 14. My sister blank to wake up early. My sister. So if we change to pronoun, becomes she. So my sister has to wake up early. Number 15. We blank an appointment. We is the subject, so we have to answer we have an appointment. Number 16. Tom blank a problem. Tom is the subject, so similar with he. So Tom has a problem. Number 17. One of the students blank the best essay. One of, if it's one of and then plural nouns, in this case students as the plural one, we have to use has because our focus is on the word one. So one of the students has the best essay. You blank to help me. You is the subject, so you have to help me. Number 9. The car blank 4 doors. The car is the subject. Car, if we change to pronoun, it becomes it. So we have to answer the car has 4 doors. Number 20. I blank an idea. I is the subject, so we have to answer I, yes, have an idea. I have one challenge for you to answer in the comment. The boy blank a new bag. So what's the answer? Is it have or has? Please answer in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching. See you.